What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. So last time, if you remember, I taught you how to make spaghetti sauce, and everybody's like, why aren't you using ripe tomatoes? I don't want to use ripe tomatoes. Do you have any idea how damn long that takes? Just kidding. I most likely will use ripe tomatoes next time, just to teach you how to make actual homemade spaghetti sauce. You know, it's pretty funny. Tonight my wife and I are having spaghetti, and guess what we're using? We are using jarred spaghetti sauce. You didn't see that. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about cinnamon rolls. Because who doesn't like homemade cinnamon rolls? We don't want Cinnabon, we don't want Pillsbury, we want homemade cinnamon rolls. And they're not just any cinnamon rolls, regular cinnamon rolls. These are pumpkin spice cinnamon rolls. And I know the pumpkin spice is out of season. It's only for Christmas and Thanksgiving and whatever. But I guarantee you these are so much better than regular cinnamon rolls. And before we get started, I just want to give a huge shout out to Joy Food Sunshine. Your recipe is absolutely amazing, and this is what I am basing these cinnamon rolls off of, and I kind of tweaked it a little bit. So with my tweak, we're just gonna say my cinnamon rolls are better. But with all that said, you know, everybody watching this video, I really think that you should go to joyfoodsunshine.com. The recipes are absolutely amazing. You're gonna love everything on that website. So let's get this video started.